I just can't help but touch it, hey. The first bolt on. That's cool, eh?
Ready when you are.
Oh, sweet. Hey guys, what's going on? Good to see ya. Check this out. We've been hooking into the 40 this week. We've got the tub painted. Came up sweet. It's not perfect, but hey, that's life, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm stoked. For sort of my second paint job ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, learnt heaps from the first one. We've sprayed my ute tray. It's the same clear, same paint, obviously a different color. And the difference in gloss levels, all that sort of stuff is just crazy. Like, I was a bit worried using the same product again. I'm like, is this dumb? But it worked out all right. I just wasn't putting enough clear on. And a new spray gun, which is just awesome. I just can't help but touch it, hey. It's just so...
It looks amazing.
Ooh. Yeah, so today we're gonna get this on the chassis for a 1978 Cruiser. All original chassis, like we've just sandblasted it. Nothing special. We're stoked. Yep. Let's hook in, bro. Get this cab on.
Alrighty, that is touching the chassis.
So that's the bottom mount. So we just got the cab on the chassis, guys. We're pumped, it's looking awesome. So we thought it's time to jump into these doors and get that happening. We're gonna remove all the mechs and we're gonna sand it down, get rid of any rust that we find. Someone obviously started to restore this when I bought it, so it was in a million pieces. He's brushed a edge primer or something on it here, and then on the other side they've just like done some paint stripper.
Nice.
You know, like, I don't know.
They should come up good.
Yeah, we'll get all this off, rip that out, sand her up. Maybe even get it primed today. What do you reckon?
Sounds good. Let's do it. So that's what's inside a 45-year-old 40 door. Yummy. Bit of bog work.
Mix her up, mix her up. I think we might have to get some new scrapers there.
Yeah, get some rough edges.
Yeah.
Alright, doors are looking good. It's a lot of sanding. Way more than I thought it would be. So there's like 3 layers of bog already on it. How much do you take off? I don't know. Alright, that is the roof, the 2 doors, and the front windscreen sprayed out. Chelsea pants.
I think this thing over here.
Chelsea gun wash on the pants. Give us a peek, come on. Damn, the crown jewels, baby. We'll be back next week. What are we doing next week?
Oh, I think we're due for some fun.
We're gonna have a bit of fun next week. Jump on the moties, and I'm gonna try to jump the tabletop that Caleb's built. I've never jumped a motorbike in my life, so we'll see what happens. We'll see you next week, guys.